For the first time, we are hearing Sergeant Bo Bergdahl's account of his capture by the Taliban in his own words.
Yes, as Scott Logan reports, recorded telephone conversations with Bergdahl made by a screenwriter are being used, with Bergdahl's permission, in a popular podcast called Serial. This is our top story.
The podcast Serial has secured the first interview with Sergeant Bo Bergdahl of Haley since his release in May 2014 following 5 years of Taliban captivity. Bergdahl faces charges of desertion and misbehavior before the enemy. In a 44-minute episode on the podcast, Bergdahl says he believed his disappearance would give him more credibility when he denounced what he saw as poor leadership in his unit. All I was seeing was basically leadership failure to the point that the lives of the guys standing next to me were literally, from what I could see, in danger of something seriously going wrong and somebody being killed, he says. But just 20 minutes after leaving his post in remote Afghanistan, Bergdahl says he realized he was in over his head. This really starts to sink in, that I really did something bad, he says. Or not bad, but I really did something serious. After his capture, Bergdahl said he was tortured and kept in solitary confinement. How do I explain to a person that just standing in an empty, dark room hurts, he says. Bergdahl continues to await word of his fate from the Army after his military grand jury proceeding in September. In the studio, Scott Logan, KBOI 2 News.